This is Joe Taylor with Rycon, and they've got some great new products at the show here, and I like this one. Tell me about it.
Sure, Chuck. This is our new spindle sander that we have to offer, and the great thing about this machine is that this is all steel construction. It's not plastic, which has a nice heavy-duty cast iron table with a great rack and pinion system that allows you to adjust your table from 0 to 45 degrees, which runs really nice and smooth. You have a nice big knurled knob in the front that locks the table in place, as well as an additional lock handle in the back. So once that's locked in place, when you have that at 90 degrees, that's nice and solid. The unit also comes with 5 spindles. It comes with half, 3/4, 1, 1.5, and 2. And there's an option for a 3-inch spindle as well. That's sold separately. But the great thing about the machine is that it's all steel construction.
Well, Joe, you don't want to use the same grinder, high-speed grinder that you use for your lawnmower blade for your fine woodworking tools, do you?
Absolutely. You want to use a low-speed grinder, and Rycon recently introduced our larger model, which is a 1 horsepower low-speed grinder. The great thing about this unit, it has an LED light, really nice big tool rest, and the beauty too is that this includes magnetic eye shields too. So for us, you know, when you're grinding to get a closer look to see how your edge is, having a magnetic shield is a really nice benefit, as well as having these arced arms, which are an improvement from previous models that we have that just have a wire. These have a nice high arc, solid arm that locks in place really quick. Nice solid cast iron base, and it also has got a 5-year warranty. We're really excited to announce we've updated our previous version of the 10325 to the new 10326. And the beauty of that is we have 3 new patent pending features on the saw. The first one being is our new quick adjust drift fence. So for those saws that have the tendency to drift a little bit because the blade might be a little bit off, you're able to adjust the drift from the top of the fence now instead of going underneath with these 2 pins. There's a simple cam right here that loosens up to allow the end user to take their fence and adjust it left or right so they can get it dead on and square to the blade. Once they have that all set, they can take that, lock it in place. The other thing that we've done was we increased the actual fence part to have a 6-inch tall fence. For those of you who are resawing, that's a great added feature. We've also included a nice long rail, so now you could remove the hardware and cut the saw on the left and on the right, which is great. The next feature that we have is we improved the trunnion system. So it's a cast iron system now with a quick release lock that lifts up, and you have a nice crank handle that adjusts the table from 0 to 45, and then you can take it, lock it in any position. Once you get it back to 90, you have that nice handle that's going to lock it in place. But the most important feature that we have is that we're really excited about is the new toolless guide systems. So now there's no longer the need for any Allen wrenches or anything to adjust your bearings and to dial in, because now everything is toolless. There's two knobs on the front that you're going to loosen up on here, and these pins that are on the left and right are spring loaded. So now when I want to adjust my guides to my blade, I could just take one hand, squeeze these 2 pins together, set it to the proper distance of the blade, lock it in place, and I'm all set. That setup is done on the top as well as on the bottom.
You do something for somebody who already has a Rycon bandsaw and wants to update.
Yeah, absolutely. So for the customers who have the older 325 model, they're going to be able to update their system with a retrofit kit. So this system is going to allow previous owners of the 325 to upgrade to the toolless guide system.
Customer service at Rycon for every customer, every product is always first rate.
Great.
Thank you so much, Joe.
Thank you. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.
Highland Woodworking stocks a wide selection of Rycon power tools, known for their innovative design and rugged durability. Highland has sold thousands of Rycon's industry-leading bandsaws with sizes to fit every woodworking need, from the compact, affordable 10-inch model to competitively priced 14 and 18-inch models. Shop us also for Rycon's reliable planers, lathes, and professional low-speed grinder, all with an exceptional 5-year warranty. Rycon Power Tools.